Hey music producers, let's dive deep into an incredible tool in Ableton that can bring serious vibe to your tracks. The Chorus-Ensemble effect. This isn't just another chorus plugin. Ableton's Chorus-Ensemble packs a punch with its unique modes and sound thickening capabilities. So here's how it works. Chorus-Ensemble offers 3 unique modes: Classic, Ensemble, and Vibrato, each bringing its own character to the table. Classic mode uses 2 delay lines to thicken up your sound, adding those rich, time-modulated layers that give you that timeless, moving chorus. It's perfect if you're looking to add subtle motion and depth to your audio. Switch over to Ensemble Mode, and you're in 70s territory, recreating the lush, 3-delay line chorus that was all over classic string ensemble sounds. This mode's 3-phase modulation delivers an extra thick, immersive sound with smooth modulation perfect for big, retro-style synths and rich guitar layers. Vibrato Mode goes even further, using a stronger modulation to create pitch variations that give you those distinct, warbly sounds. Think police siren, but musical. The modulation shape can shift from a sine to a triangle, giving you more control over the character of the vibrato. Now, let's talk about fine-tuning. Here are some game-changing parameters to get the sound exactly right. For starters, the high-pass filter helps keep your low end clean by reducing the effect on bass frequencies, so you can keep that chorus vibe while still maintaining clarity in the mix. Next up is width, which you'll find in Classic and Ensemble modes. This controls the stereo width of the wet signal. Set it to 0% for a mono sound, 100% for balanced stereo, or go all the way to 200% for an ultra-wide effect where the chorus stands out on the sides. When you're in vibrato mode, width is replaced by offset and shape controls. Offset lets you adjust the phase between the left and right channels, adding even more movement. Meanwhile, shape lets you morph between sine and triangle waveforms, giving you full control over the modulation's feel. Global controls like rate, amount, feedback, and warmth let you shape the effect even further. Crank up rate for an intense chorus, or keep it low for a subtle shimmer. Use amount to control the modulation strength and turn up feedback for rich, resonant tones, especially powerful if you're into crafting unique delay effects. And if you want a bit more edge, dial up the warmth for a touch of distortion. For all-out experimentation, here's a pro tip. Try Ensemble Mode with a rate of 1 to 1.8 hertz and amount at 100% on dry guitars to create that classic surf rock vibe. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, automate the Feedback Invert toggle at feedback levels over 90%. This creates massive bursts of decaying oscillations, which can bring epic intensity to a track. If you're ready to master these techniques and get personalized guidance, follow Cylus Music and book a coaching call with me. I'm here to help you unlock these tools, and more so that you can find your signature sound. And here's a question to kick off the discussion. What's your favorite effect for adding texture and movement to your tracks? Let's chat in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more production tips that keep you inspired and in the flow. Until next time, keep pushing those creative boundaries.